Fire alarm and sprinkler system, installation and repairs. Our team recently completed a comprehensive fire safety project for a commercial building in Naples, Florida. The scope of work included the installation of a state-of-the-art fire alarm system and a full sprinkler system, as well as necessary repairs to existing safety infrastructure. This upgrade significantly enhances the building's fire protection capabilities, ensuring early detection and rapid response in case of emergencies. The new systems were meticulously designed and installed to meet all local and state fire safety regulations, providing optimal coverage throughout the commercial space. This project not only brings the building into full compliance with current safety standards, but also offers peace of mind to the property owners, tenants, and visitors, knowing they are protected by cutting-edge fire safety technology. Get a free quote